My name is Navin Satar and I'm a structural engineer and you're watching NSPonian. So today you will learn about preparation of framing and these are the commands you will use to prepare the framing in the AutoCAD, how we can develop the framing, how we can develop the Etabs model, how we can develop the safe model, how we can develop the drawings for the construction and let's start. This is the architectural drawing and here we have to place the column first and we have to prepare the framing and let's start the framing. Okay, so for that we will first we will take the column that of 200 by 800 and let's make the column. And first take the polyline and click and it should be 800 and enter, and 200 enter, and 800 enter, then it's 200. Okay, so and escape. So for that uh, you have to make a column of the 200 by 800 and let's fill this by hatch and we will select this as solid hatch and fill this. So what we will do, we will match the hatch MA space from here to here. Okay, and like this is our column, and what we'll do, we will go to the layer property and we'll make a new layer from here and let's make it column. It's a column. Okay, and try to fill it by blue color. Okay, and okay, and let's cancel this, and we will select the polyline and go to the here and we will select the column. Okay, and what we will do, we will copy this from here and CO space and then we paste from here to here, mm, this point. Okay, and now we will select this. If you want to make the block for the architectural drawing, you can make the block also. First we can delete it. Okay, and if you make the block like B space, okay, and let's say it's a architectural drawing. Okay, and okay, so this is in the block right now. Okay, so if you want to change anything in the architectural drawing, it won't change. So if you want to change something, so you have to double click this drawing and it will open and the block will be open, and you can change anything here. If you want to change outside the block, you can't change in this drawing. So let's close the block. Okay, and what we will do, we will place the column. So it if we are preparing the framing, so it won't change anything in the architectural drawing. Okay, so if we want to change the framing, then we can change. Otherwise it won't affect the architectural drawing. Okay, let's copy this CO space and okay, and let's take this point here. Okay, and let's CO space and we will place the column here, then we will place the column here, then we will place the column no, no, then we will place the column CO space from here to here. Let's make sure that it won't blocking any window or column. Okay, then we will copy this uh, from here to here. Okay, and now we will place the column like here. Okay, and now we place the column. So I think we should have to place the column from here to here. Okay, and this is column also, and okay, now we will place the column. I will place the wall column and here to here, and let's take it here also, and let's take it here also. Okay, and try to make the like moment frame like column and beam frame. Okay, and let's copy this one mm, from here. Okay, that's great. And okay, let's place this for one. Okay, that's enough. let's place this first here to here for the reference, and we will copy this one from here to here, and one here, okay, and one here, okay. uh, let's move this m space, and we'll move it from here to here, okay. Okay, now what we'll do, we can delete it from here, okay. um, let's delete it. I will tell you why we are deleting this, okay. Let's delete this also. I will tell you why we are deleting it, okay. Deleting. Okay, so let's take this column and try to rotate it. So rotate arrow space, and we will click this like this, and now we will copy this from here to this here, and let's place now we'll copy this from here, CO space, okay, from here to here, okay. Let's move it from M space from here to here, okay, here, and let's move it from here to here, okay. It's like this, okay. M space from here to here, okay. Mhm. Okay, that's okay. So we have, let's move it from here to here, okay. So it's we will make it like a moment frame. Mhm. So let's select this, okay, and select similar, and we'll try to move it from this place to this place now here, and we will, can I think delete this one here and delete these all, okay. So now we can, now what we will do, we will try to make try to make the beams, okay. And I think control that. So what we will do, we will now we will draw a beam. So first layer properties and add a new layer here. From now name it as a beam, and click on the white, and make it red, and okay, okay. And now cross it. So what we'll do, first we will draw lines like this, and we will copy this line from here to doso. So 200 is the width of the beam, and now we will select this and go here and make it beam, okay. Now what we will do, we will just copy this, okay, from here to copy this CO space from here to here, okay. Now from now here, and like here also, okay. uh, here also, and here also, okay. Now here also, okay. Now we'll copy this one from here to, okay, that's fine. Okay, and what we will do, try to make it move it first move this from here to here, and what we'll do, we will copy this CO. We will try to rotate it first, and from arrow space, and we will rotate it from here, and what we'll do, we will copy from here, one here to here, okay. and we will copy here also, and we'll copy it here also. Okay, and we'll copy here also, and here also. Okay, and we'll copy this at this also, and we'll copy at this also. Okay, and we will copy this at this also, and at here also. Okay, and we'll copy this at here also. Okay, and we'll copy at this. So let's take this here. What we'll do, we'll move from here to one. We'll move it from this point to this point. Okay, and yeah. So what we'll do, I think we can't place beam here. Okay, so we will move from here to here. One. We'll move, select these two and space from here to here. Okay, yeah. I think now it's looking good. So we have to place from here to at the wall location. Okay, so what we will do, we'll try to expand the column. We'll try to expand the column here. Okay, and we'll delete this column and try to copy this column and copy from this one, from this to from here to here. Okay, what will do, we can move this line from here to here. Okay, yeah, now it's looking good. So there is one thing also we will do. We will select this and copy this from here to here, one here. Okay, and I think that's all we have done here. Right. So what we will do now, we will select the column layers, select the beam layers, and go to select similar, and we'll move it from here to here. Okay, and we can delete it like the extra thing. So what we will do, we will try to arrange this now in a good thing, and we will trim TR space. Then we will trim all the extra lines. Okay. Mm, okay. I think now everything is good. Now what we'll do, we will extend the line. So for that we will use the command of ex space. Okay, and then we will trim the cord, trim this. Okay, so for the trim this one. mm, Okay, so now we will extend this line from here, and we will trim this one. On that we will extend the line from here, this one, and we will trim the line this one. Okay. Mhm. Mm, okay. So what we'll do, we'll just move from here to here. Again, we will check what other things we can do. Okay. So you can see everything is looking good. Okay, so what we'll do, we will move from here to here. Okay, and that's all is good, right? I know it. So okay. So we will just copy these lines from here to, and just copy this line from here to here also. Okay, and I think that's it. Okay, here also, like there is a wall here also, so we'll copy this in here and here. Okay, and what we will do, we will just select these lines, and we will copy this line from here to, um, copy this line from here to here, here also. Okay, there are walls also, and here also. Okay, and so we have to extend this line from here to here, and we'll make it as a movement frame. Okay, so I think that's, so we'll select these lines from here to, uh, copy this line, try to copy this line from here to here also. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to copy these lines, cop- copy these lines from here to here also. I think there is a line, red line. Okay, this is a red line. So this is the red line. We'll copy this line from here to here. Okay, I think that's good. I think everything is okay now. So this portion is mirror of this portion. So what we will do, we'll just make a line. Just to make a line. Okay, just first select the line that is a beam line. Okay, and we will make a line from here to here. This is the mid line. Okay. So we can, what we will do, we will first try to complete this portion and we will mirror it from here. Okay, so that's how we can save the time in the preparation of the framing. So now again select this beam and try to select all and move from here to here. Okay, so we will try to trim these things first. Okay, and just trim the extra lines that are blocking. Okay, and here also. Okay, so we will ex space and we'll extend the lines that are, we were okay here and here also. Okay, and here, here also. Okay, so you can see this toilet, and these are both are same, so we have to add beams here also. So copy, and we will place all the lines from select one minute. Okay, so we have to break the line. So br space and select this and this, select this and this first, and br space and with the line, and then we will copy this one and co and space and here to here. Okay, and what we'll do, we will extend the line from here to here. Okay, and yeah, just cross this one. Just delete this one and trim this one also. Okay, and trim these lines. Okay, and try to shift this column. 1 minute. Try to shift this column from. Okay, so what we will do, we will shift this column from here to here. Okay, and we will shift these beams also from here to here. Okay, now everything is looking perfect. Okay, so what we will do, we'll trim this one from here, and yeah, everything is trim this from here to here and here to here. Okay, so extend this line from here. 1 minute. You have to extend the line from just go take like this, like this. Now we will extend the line. Okay, yeah, everything is fine. You have to extend this line also from here. And we will extend the line from here. You can just go like this. Okay, and we'll extend the line. Just go like this. Not right here. Okay, and we can trim the line from. Yeah, this one, this one. Okay, no problem. So here we have completed the framing portion. Okay, just remove this column. Okay, we don't need this column. Okay, and we can shift this column from here to here. Okay, that's great. I think. Control that. Okay, no problem. So what we will do, we will just once again we will check everything. Move from here to here. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, okay. So we will move this column from here to here. Okay, we don't need this column, and we will take a reference from this one first. Okay. Okay, no issue. What we'll do, we'll just move this from here to here. Okay, and yeah, so we have to add one beam here because there is a wall. Okay, so first we'll copy this one and this line. This is the red line, and try to copy this from here to here. Okay, and again we will select this all and select similar, and we will copy this one and select similar and move from here to here, here to here. Okay, we can delete the extra lines, and we will try to select this and move from here to here. Okay, control that. Move from here to here, right? Okay, now what we'll do, we will just again copy this, select similar, and move from here to here. Okay, and try to extend this one from here to here, 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 okay, and try to trim it from here to here. Okay. Just try to move this from here to here. Okay, and trim this one from here to here. Okay, I think everything is perfect. Now we can, mirror this. So for the mirror, you have to press MI space and select these 2 points and press enter. Now you got the everything perfect. Okay, so okay, everything is perfect. Okay, and what you have to do, we have to just copy this one again, move this one from here to here, and we will check everything is okay, perfect or not, anything is blocking something or not. So you can see there are all the doors and windows are open, and so my framing, my columns, and I think my walls location, like this is a shear wall location, is not blocking any of the door and window here. Okay, so we are ready to go. So just we have to make sure this one wall at the middle, we will draw this one. Okay, so first go to the here and make sure there is a like selected beam here. Okay, and try to draw this from here to here. Okay, and select this one and try to copy this, and from here try to copy CO space from here to here. Okay, and that's okay, and we will again move this, select similar, and go to here. Okay, now everything's perfect, I think. So just extend the line. Okay, and just trim the line from here. Just trim the line from here. Okay, and from here also, and from here also. And I think it's perfect. This is the perfect framing. So we have to extend this line also from here to. Yeah, there is one line. I think we missed the line here. So we will just copy this line from here to uh, here to here. Okay, and we will extend the line like we will extend the line from here to here. Okay, I think that's perfect. So we have complete the framing. So for the number system, what we will do, we will just go to here and we will copy this, and this one. We'll copy it everywhere because our size is same for everything. Okay, so now we'll copy this zero space, copy it everything at every location of wall. Okay, तेरी कहाँ मार. See, everything is perfect now, and yeah, we are ready to go. So let's copy these things and paste here. Okay, so okay, that's okay. I think it's okay. So for the hatch, like call it toilet sun, we have to hatch the area of the toilet. So here you can see this portion, this portion, and this portion is toilet, and so we will add a sunk area here. So what we will do, we'll just go to here and we'll make a hatch. Control Z at this portion, at this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll match the hatch area by this one here. 1 minute. We'll match here to here. Okay. And everything is okay, and what we'll do is just change the color. It's a red one, okay. So, and we'll change the color. So what we'll do, we'll just delete this and copy this one. Nothing. Okay, just we will make a rectangular RAC space, and we'll make a rectangular here. And what we'll do, we'll just go to the hatch, and we will match the hatch by this one to this one. Okay, and I think that's okay. Okay, so we have prepared the framing. We have prepared the framing. Now we will prepare the DXF for the ETAP, and for that we have to just go to the layer first, and we will the name should be our center line. Okay, center line, center line, and we'll go to here at this portion. Okay, this portion. The name center line is already in use. Okay, so we will. Okay, this is the center line is already prepared. This is in use, and so what we will do, we'll just go to here, and we'll change the color of the center line from green. Okay, and okay, and call this. So now we'll try to make the center line. For that, we have to go to line, and just try to select 1 minute. For this, we have to select the center line first, and we have to select every center portion of the ball. For okay, we have we want every joints for the walls, because we have to draw all the walls in the ETAB. For that, we have to select every midpoint. Okay, of the wall, and select this one. Mhm. This one and this one. Okay, and the line portion, and this one, and okay, and go to the line, and this one, okay, and यहाँ पे जाते हैं, go to the line, try to everything is perfect. Okay, mm, once again we will try to make the center line of this portion, and then we'll copy, then we will mirror it from here. Okay, so for that we will try to make a center line. Okay, for that we will draw a reference line, and we will draw from here. Okay, and like this. Okay, now we will select this, and this is the perpendicular, and draw this like this. Okay, yeah. Mm, we'll select this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. So for the center line portion, just select line, and uh, press shift, and then right click, and then select the midpoint. So then you select these 2 points, and you have the midpoint here, and you can just line, and you can just copy this one from here to here. You can select the midpoint. Okay, and here also you will get every midpoint here. And yeah, for horizontal line, you just have to press shift, right click, and take 2 points, and select these 2 points, and you will get this every midpoint. Okay, mm, just select this, copy this, and select this one and this one here. Okay, mm, select this one, copy this, select this one. Okay, select this, uh, copy these two, and select this point, and select this here. and select this at here, and select this at here, select this at here. Okay, I think here what we will do will we will just select this, and we will select similar. Okay, select similar and try to move this from here to here. Okay, so now we will trim the extra thing. So from trim here like this. Okay, trim here like this, trim here like this, trim this like trim here like this, trim here like this, trim from here like this, trim here, trim here, trim here, trim here, and trim here, trim this. Okay, I don't know why we have to do this. Okay, I think there is something. So okay, let's extend the line. Okay, and extend the line here, and this line, and this line, and this line, okay, and these lines, and these lines, okay, and this line, okay, and okay. So try to trim this line again, and again we will copy this from here and try to move it um, from here to here. Okay, and you can see I don't want this line here. Okay, and this line here. Okay, this line here. We don't want this line, and this line here. We don't want this line also. And what we'll do, we'll just try to make copy this one from here. um, just try to copy this from here to here. Okay, and yeah, so we will trim this out here, and I think everything's perfect now. Okay, what we'll do, we'll just try to select this from here to here, and okay. So what we can do, we can just break the line from here to here, and we can extend the line like this. Okay, and we will just copy this line from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, that's all I want. Okay, and we will just okay. So let's again select similar and move it from here to here. Okay, and what we can do, we can just trim the line. We can just trim the line like this. We can just trim the lines like this. Okay, and just trim the lines like this. Okay, everything is perfect, right? Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll just like this. Okay, now we will trim it from here to here. Okay, again we will just move it. Again we'll just move it from okay, here to here. Yeah, okay, that's it. So I think we forgot to add one line zero space from here to here. Okay, I think that's all. I think that everything is covered here, and we will select this, select similar, and we can move it from here to here again. Now, yeah, I think everything is okay. And what we can do, we can just try to delete this one first and try to do this one. Okay. And what we'll do, we'll just copy this and mirror it. Mirror. So for the mirror, you can press MI and select center and select these 2 points. And so 1 minute. You can just select this and press MI and space and select these 2 portions and press enter. So here you can see everything is okay, and we have to add the center line. So for that, just move it from here to here again, and we have to just press the one line here. So we have to draw the one. We just have to draw one line here. So select this one. Select 2 points and select the reference line from here and the midpoint and select this line and try to extend this line from here to here. Okay, and yeah, everything goes well, and we can delete this line. This line, delete it. Again, we will select this and select similar and try to move this from here to here. Okay, now you can see I can delete this one. So now you can see this the center line DXF is prepared. Okay, the center line is prepared and the framing is prepared. And now we will go to the Etab model, and for the Etab model we have to copy this one and try to make it in different drawing and paste this. Try to make a different drawing and paste this in the different drawing. Okay, and go to the save as, and don't forget to save it in the DXF. Okay, so we will save it as a DXF and select this as a G+4. G+4, and we will save this and cancel, and we'll take the path G+4 daily and save it, and yes. Okay, and now we have prepared the DXF, and we'll close this one. Okay, cancel again, and no, we will close this one. Please make sure you have closed this file, the DXF file, because when you import in the Etab, it will give you the error. Okay, so try to close the file first. Okay, and so my framing is ready, my DXF is ready, so and we can go to the Etab model now. So let's go to the file first, and then we will add a new model. And so use built-in, and from here we will use metric SI. Here we will use India, then we will use here we will use Indian, and then we will use IS on 800-2007, and then we will 456 and okay. Okay, and now we will select blank here and then okay. And there are 2 windows, so we will close the one window. And now what we'll do, we'll import the DXF. So to import the DXF, go to the file, then go to the import, then go to the DXF file of floor plan, and go to the quick access and go to the G+4 and open it. And for that we have to go to the beam. In the beam we will take the center line. Why we are take the center line? Because the DXF that we are importing, it is in center line. This layer name is center line, that's why we are take the center line here. Okay, and try to import it on the Storey one, and I think it is in mm. So let's see the what is the dimension of RDXF. Go from here to here. Okay. And so this I think it is an mm, and we go here and I think it's mm, and make sure the beam properties concrete beam and column properties concrete column, and floor properties the deck, and we will and everything is perfect, and we will import it, and just let's make the path from here to here, and this G+4 it's in daily. Okay, and save, and we will close this one, and okay, and for that we have to go to the plan, and we will go to Storey 1 and apply, and you can see RDX is important, and here you can see it is in the dimension is meter, and for that, and we will draw the dimension line, and we'll draw the dimension line, and we will select these 2 points, and you can see it is in meter 1.975. We can also increase the size of the text also, and you can go to the graphic mode, graphic preference, and here you can increase the text size from 8, and okay, you can see it's 1.975 meter. Okay, and let's start the modeling. So for the modeling, we have to go to here, and so first we will define the material property. So we'll define the material property. We'll go to here, and then we'll first go to the define, and then go to the material and add a new material, and India. Now we will select it concrete, and we will add M25. Okay, and okay, then we will add M30. Go to the M30. Okay, and okay, right, and okay, and we will add M40 here again. Okay, and okay, and okay. Okay, now we will add like steel grade. So for that we will go to define material property, and we will add new material. Select instead of concrete we will add we will select rebar, and okay, and okay, and then we will add a new material. We will go to the this one 500. So we will add Fe 500, and okay, and okay, and okay, and now like we have defined the material property. Now we go to the define section properties for beam, wall, column, and flat. So now go to the define section properties for frame section. For beam we have to go to here in the framing first. So here, okay, so here you can see the beam sizes are 200 into 450. So let's go to here, and we will go to the concrete beam. Then we will add a new property, and we will add a rectangular section. So sorry, uh, for assigning a beam, for defining a beam, we will go to the we will select the concrete beam. Then we will go to the add copy of property, and we will write the beam name B 200 into 450, and it's M30, and we will select here width is 200 and depth is 450. Okay, and select the M30 and modify the reinforcement, and make sure it's design only beam and longitudinal bar diameter is HYSD 450. Okay, and okay, so we have defined the beam properties, and we will define the column properties. So for the column properties we will go to the column beam, and we will add a column property, and we will assign one column like C 200 into 400. Okay, so for that we will go to the width is 200 and 400 450, and make sure it's M30. Go to the reinforcement, make sure it is column, design type is column, and it's HYSD 415. Okay, and okay, and okay, and okay, right? And now we will also we assign beam and column. Then we will assign wall and slab. So go to the define. For that you have to select the slab wall section first. Then we will add a copy of property. Then we will the wall is 200 m30. So we will write to 200 and make sure it should be shell thin. Okay, and okay, and okay. And for the slab property, we'll go to section, we'll go to slab, and then we'll add copy of property. Okay, and slab, we will assign the slab is I think it's 250 thick. Okay, so for every slab it's 250 thick. So 120 and 120. It's 120. Okay, 120 m30. Okay, make sure this cell thin. And slab. Okay, and okay. And now we will assign a add copy of property again, and then now we will assign for stair slab. Make sure it is a membrane. Okay, and okay, it's a slab, and now it's 120 again. So stair 120 m30, and we will select it. Okay, and okay, and we have assigned everything, and now we have I think we have defined everything, and now we will assign beam property, draw floors, and quick draw columns. Okay, and so to assign the beam property, select all the beam and assign, go to assign frame, go to the section property, and you can assign everything and apply, and okay, you can see everything is already assigned here, and you can go to the show undeformed shape here and get this. Okay, and now we will assign a slab. So for that you have to go to here and draw one slab here, and then you have to select everything and go to here, divide shells, and click cookie cut and untick extend frame to shell edges. Okay, you have to untick this because if you select this, the slab will be cut in the infinite sections. So please untick this and apply this, and okay, now you see every slab is assigned separately. Okay, now what we will do, we will draw the walls. For draw walls we need a point set everywhere. So for that you have to go to the set display option and untick the invisible, and you can see we can't see apply here. So for that you have to select the two taskbar setting, and automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. Okay, and select this, and you can see there is no and cross this. Okay, now 1 minute again. Yeah, okay, so go to the, now you can tick apply, and okay, first untick this and then apply, and then okay. So here you can get uh, all the joints. Okay, and now you can draw the walls now. So for draw the wall you can go to the wall here and select 200. Okay, now you can open the framing, and here you can see all the walls position, and we will start from here. So okay, these four. Okay, so select these and right click, select these two, joints and right click. Okay, select these two joints and right click, select these two joints and right click. Okay, uh, here also select these two joints and right click. Okay, select these two joints and right click. 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 Okay, and I think these joints we don't have right now. So what we will do, we will just go to at this position, So select the joint and you have to copy and paste. I think you have to replicate it. So for the replicate, select the joint and go to the edit and replicate. Okay, so you can replicate the joint. This joint at minus 0.2. Okay, and apply. No, I think it's not 0.2. And control that. Delete this. It's 200, right? It's 800. Okay. So let's select the joint and replicate this from here to it's 800, right? So for that we can go to this framing and we can take the dimension from this point to this point, and here you can see it's 800. Okay, so let's go to here again and we will paste it at 800. Okay, and now at here also we can see this end, this one end, and this end here. So try to replicate this at 0.8 and apply. Okay, and now we can draw the walls like this. Select these walls and select these two walls and select these two joints also. Okay, so now you can see everything is okay. So here I think something is different. Draw dimension line and you can it's 0.7, right? And you can draw here also it's 0.8. Okay, so what we can do here, we can just press the control and select the wall here. Okay, and press the control and select the wall here and delete this. Okay, now what we will do, we will just select the wall here and replicate it, edit, replicate, and pick these two, select these two. Okay, and apply. And now we will select this one wall here and pick 2 points for the model, and what we'll do, we'll just select these 2 points and apply and okay. Okay, and now everything is fine, and I think this one also. So we can uh, reshape these objects also. Just control and select this one and select wall, and again select this and you can reshape this one also. Okay, I am teaching you this because if you want to increase the wall sizes, you can do this thing. Okay, so here you can see there is nothing, so what we will copy the wall and we will replicate it by control R. Okay, and pick these 2 points and apply and okay, right? And here you can see we have assigned all the walls, 1 2, so here also. Okay, uh, here okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so now what we will do, this is a mirror. Okay, now again this portion is mirror of this portion, so what we will do, we will just select object type and we will select the walls only. Here you can see the 11 shelves and 14 areas are selected. So what we will do is just mirror it. For the mirror, we will go to the edit and we will go to the replicate and we select the mirror. We will pick the 2 points, this one and this one, and we will apply. And you can see every wall is already modeled, and yeah, You can, and now you can save your time like this, and you can increase the productivity of your work. So we have assigned beam properties, wall properties, and like the column, there is no column, so we have to assign the floor properties here first. Okay, so select all the floors, object type, floors, select, then assign shell, slab, and then 120. I think you should untick the staircase slab here. Okay, so this is a staircase slab, and assign 120 and 30, and for the staircase slab we will assign the stair, apply, and okay, and untick this one. And we have assigned all the properties. Okay, there is no column, that's why we have not assigned the column properties in here. So you can dream, create, design, and build the most wonderful place in the world, but it requires people to make the dream a reality. Okay, so it's said by Walt Disney, and okay, so people need you. People need you to create their dreams. Okay, and people need you to build their places. So now we will assign load pattern, and so for that we will go to the define load pattern, and here we will add a self weight. Please make sure everything is in a capital letter. And here dead and its self multiplier is 1 here in the self weight, and we will add modify it. Now we will add finish. So write uh, write finish here, and please make sure the self multiplier is weight multiplier is 0 here. Okay, and we will add a new. We'll click this and we'll go finish. Okay, and we'll modify this one. 1 minute. That's dead, right? Modify this one. Okay, and now we will write service. So service, please make sure it's 0 and add a new load. Here it is 0. Okay, modify it, and okay, finish, then sunken, then it's sunken, add a new load, and it is wall, and then it's a new. Okay, it is wall, then it is live and EQ, add entry, and take it as a reducible live, and add a new load. Then click this one and add a new load, the reducible line, then we will EQ X, then we will take the Seismic, and we will take IS 1893 2016 here and add a new load. And then here Y, add a new load, then Z, add a new load, and then it's a WLX. Here we will select a wind, and here we will select 875 or 1115. Add a new load, and Y, add a new load, and okay. So now we have assigned the load patterns. Now we will assign defined P delta. Okay, so for that you have to go to the define for the P delta and take the iterative based on loads and select self weight, and take self weight multiplier is 1.2 for dead load and 0.5 for live load. So it's 1.2, add finish, add service, add sunken, add wall, add live, add greater than, add EQ, add. So no, sorry, we won't add earthquake load in this. Delete it. Okay. So for the live load, it should be 0.5. So we'll modify the 0.5 for the live load. Okay. Okay. And 0.5. Okay. And okay. Now we will assign the mass source. So for that, we will go to the define, go to the mass source, and then we will add a copy of mass source, and we will untick these two and the specific load pattern. Here we will write dead plus live, and So 1 for the dead load and 0.25 for less than 3 and greater than 3.5. Okay, so we will add here and we'll go to finish and we'll add one more and service add, sunken add, and wall add, and then less than 3 it's 0.25 and for greater than 3 it's 0.5. Okay, and okay, so there is a duplicate now. So it's the dead load, one dead load plus live load h. Okay, right, and now we will add a copy of mass source and the dead plus it's dead plus live, and vertical. If we are considering a vertical earthquake in our model, in our ETAB model, if we are considering vertical earthquake, then we will assign the include mass source and we will write here V. Okay, and everything is perfect and V V1 and okay. So please make sure the default mass source should be dead load plus V. Okay, and okay. Now we have assigned the mass source and we will go to the assign floor loads and dead load. For that, uh, we'll go to this place. So at the every place we will assign the flow finish first. Okay. So for the flow finish load, you have to go to here. So you can see for the general slab, the flow finish should be 1.3. So we will select all the slabs, object type, slabs here, floors, select the slab, and then we will assign instead of staircase. Okay, assign shell load uniform and it's 1.3. It should be in finish. Okay, flow finish and apply. And now we will again go to this and for the staircase slab it is around 3. So we will assign shell uniform and we will assign 3 here for finish and apply. Okay, and here you can see at the toilet we have to add sunk here. So the sunk is around 450 mm cinder material. Okay, so you can see, okay, it's around 450, 300 or 250. So in this it's taken at 250 and so let's take it 3.175 and so we will add at this point. Okay, this one 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll add 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 sorry no 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and then we will assign shell load uniform and select the sunken and it's 3.175 and apply and okay. So here you can see we will also model the balcony here that was not in the initial model. So at the balcony there is a 50 mm of sunk also is there. So what we will do, we will add 50 mm of sunk in the balcony. So for that we have to go to here, then write 50 here and okay. So it's around 1.575. So let's take the balcony and assign shell load and uniform load and it is 1.575. So we will take it around 1.6. 1.6. Okay, and apply and okay. So we assign the dead load at each floors, that is flow finish load and the sunken load. Now we will assign lift machine load and overhead water tank. For that, we have to go to the model first and okay, go to the undeformed shape and what we will do, this is a villa of G+4 building. So we will assign, we will go to the define, we will go to the edit, then we will edit stories and grid system and modify the grid system. So, the ground floor, here's the first is the plinth level. Here is the plinth. Okay, that is ground level. That is ground floor. Okay, and it should be 2 meter above the foundation level. Then it's the first floor. Then it's first floor. Then it's second floor. Then it should be third floor. Okay, and it's 3.15 for the height of the each. The floor to floor height is 3.15 in this villa. Okay, so here we have to add a story, keep existing story. Okay, and it should be fourth floor, and above the fourth floor there is a terrace. So we will add terrace here. We'll add terrace, and above the terrace there is mumty, and we will add mumty here. Okay, and it should be 3.15 and 3.15 here and 3.15 here. Okay, so I think mumty should not be at 3.15. It should be at, I think, around 2 meter, around 2 meter, I think, right? Yeah, around 2.5. Okay, so and okay, okay and okay, right? And we will go to the ground floor, and what we will do, we will just assign. So then we will go to, we will select everything, and we will go to the edit, replicate, and go to the story and select everything except print label and apply, and okay. And you can see in the 3D everything is assigned. And now we will go to the ground floor. I think at the ground floor there won't be any slab. So we'll select the slab, object type, slab floor, select, show selected objects only, and we will select this and we will delete it, and we will go to show all object, and here you can see everything is selected at the ground floor. Every slab is deleted at the ground floor. Now we'll go to the terrace, and we will select only this portion, and what no, like the whole portion, like lift and stay one, replicate at multi level and apply. Here you can see every, so the multi level is also portion is applied. Okay, now we'll go to the plan and link. We'll go to the terrace, and we will change the load at the terrace. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to dead load calculation. At the terrace slab, the dead load is 3.001. Okay, so at the terrace you can see it's the terrace, and we will select all the slabs here except this, but the terrace and stairs both are 3, so you can add okay. Then select object type, floors, select show selected object only, and then we will select everything at the terrace, and you can see it's 29 shells are selected, and we will, so what we will do, we will assign so we will select the slabs here. 29 shells are selected. We will assign the shell load uniform, and it should be 3 at finish. Okay, and apply, and okay. Okay, now we have to add show all. Okay, now we have to add lift machine load and overhead water tank load. Okay, so for that we will go here. Okay, so for the lift machine load, so there's, suppose the lift capacity is 4 each person and weight is 75, total person is, no, that lift capacity should be 8. No, it's just a domestic, it should be 5. And you can see we got almost 6. So area, we will calculate the area of the lift, that is nothing with the draw dimension line here. We will select these 2 points, no, these points. Okay, 1.75 and it's 1.75 here, no, here, and that. Here, right now. So you can see this is one lift. Okay, so we have to select the one lift area dimension. So this to here, and that is 1.95, and here also. Yeah, it's 1.95. So we will calculate 1.95 into 1.95. So 3.8. Okay, we'll go to here and we will write 3.8. It should be 6. So we will take it 6.5 and we will assign at these 2 locations, and we will assign shell load uniform and go to the service, and we will take it as a 6.5 and we will assign the load in the service. Okay, now for the overhead water tank, what we will do, we will go to here. Suppose number of floors should be, I think, here. Okay, so you can see this is a G+4 villa, and the number of floor is 5, including ground floor, so it's 5, and number of each person on the floor. So we will see here. So here you can see this is a 2 BHK at the each side. So we can see so if suppose 6 persons are living in this one villa, so it will be 2, so 12. So 12 on the each floor, and the total is 60, electricity is 135, and then we will calculate the area of the water tank. So what is the area of the water tank? We will calculate from here. So okay, so for dimension line, and we will select these. It is 4.3 and 4. So what we'll do, we'll go here, 4.3 into 4, that is 17.2. So we'll go here, and that is 17.2. So here you can see we got, it is around, okay, take it as 12. So we go to here and we will select this and assign shell load, then we'll go to the uniform and then take service, and please assign here 12. Okay, and then you'll apply, and okay. Okay, it's in 3D, you can see. Okay, now go to plan and go to plinth level, and go to our. So here you can see there are cutout here. Here is a cutout. Okay, and look, the cutout in the left also. Okay, so what we will do, we will just select. Please make sure you have selected all the Storey here. Okay, so select these slabs and the left slab, and go to plan and go to Mumty and go take it as a 1 story and unselect these slabs. Okay, you can see, select this. Okay, so here you have unselect this, so you got only 20 cells here, at the left bottom. So there is only 20 cells because we have to take area of the lift at the above. That's why we are not deleting this and delete. You can see we have deleted this one and this one at the Storey. Okay. Go to the plan, go to first floor, and you can see you have deleted the slabs here. Okay. And now we have assigned all the dead loads on the floors. Okay. And now we will assign the live load at each floor. And for that, go to here, go to this, and for that also we'll go to the code and we'll write 875 part 2. So we will open this one. So you can see for the residential building, so all the rooms and kitchen it is 2, for toilet and bath it is 2, for corridor staircase it is 3, and for balconies it is 3. So except we will select all the room, kitchen and toilet bathroom slabs here. Okay. So where is my here is. So go to the undeformed shape. What you can do, you can just select so this is the bedroom, toilet, the living I think living corridor and bedroom. Living and dining के लिए I think we can take it as a 2 only, or we can take it as a 3 only. Okay. So corridor, passage, staircase, including escapes and storeroom. Okay, for living we'll take 3. Okay. So we'll go to this and we will select all the slabs except balcony, staircase and living. Okay. So for that what we can do here, we can select all the slabs here, object type, floor, and select. Okay. Please make sure it is all Storey. Okay. And what you can do, you can unselect the staircase slab. Okay. And you can living one, and you can unselect balconies also. Okay. And you can assign now it is 2 shall load uniform. Please make sure you are applying in live less than 3, so it is 2 and apply. Okay, right? And you can see at every floor the live load is assigned. Okay. Now you can select staircase, living, balcony. So it is 3 almost. Okay. And you can assign it from here, shell uniform. It is you should take less than 3 and 3 here and apply. Okay. Okay. So you have to go to the terrace first. Okay. And at the terrace it is 1.5 only. So at the terrace slab we will select all the slabs. So select object type, floor, select and show selected object only, and select all the floors and assign. So this is the balcony. Okay. So assign shelves uniform, and it's 1.5 here. Okay. And apply. 1 minute. Control Z. Okay, 1 minute. You have to make sure that it is 1 story and select at the terrace only. Okay. And assign shell load uniform less than 3, it's 1.1, apply. Okay. And if you go to above that, and for the bumpy portion select this, assign shell load uniform, and it's 0.75 only. Okay. and apply and OK. And if you go to the 3D and show all objects, and now we have assigned all the live load in our model. Okay, so we have assigned all live load. Now assign wall load. So for the wall load calculation, so in this all the walls are brick, and we will go to here, and so here you can see there are different walls, different width wall in this building. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just we'll just go to our model. Where is our model? This one, and a plan, go to the plinth. Okay, and go to above. Okay, so for that we have to go to the load calculation. Load calculation at the wall load, and the height is 3.15. Okay, beam depth is 450 here, and wall thickness is 100, 150 or 200, and plaster thickness is, so we will take the plaster thickness 24 because at the both side of the wall the plaster thickness is 12 at the east side, and it will if we will consider both sides for plaster thickness, then it will be 24, and the density of brick is almost 20. So we got all the wall loads in here. So we have to go here and we will see what is the wall load, what is the wall width here. So first go to the dimension and select this, and OK, and you can see it is 150, and it is, I think this one is 100. Okay, this one is also 100. This is 150. This is 150. This is 100. Okay, so let's select from here. Okay, so let's go to this and select this one, and this one. Okay, it is 120. It's 150. So for 150 it is 9.46. So we'll assign, whether we can select all the 150 mm walls. So let's check the dimension. That's 100. Okay, so it is 150, 150. We can, what we can do, we can just which are the 150 volts. Okay, so what we can do, we can just simply okay, print Control P, and at the previous plot go to the window and we will select this one. Okay, and we will see the preview. What is the preview? You can see like this. Okay, this is preview. So you can mark in the PDF also if you want. Okay, so okay, and one, and preview. So it's our PDF, and we can mark these walls in the PDF also. So what you have to do, that go to the go to comment and go to the pencil. Okay, and I think this one is 150, and this one is also 150, 150, and this one is 150, this one is 150, this one is 150, this one is 150, this one, okay, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, this one is 150, this one is 150, this one is 150. This one is 150. This one is also 150. This one is also 150. one is 150, this one is 150. Okay, this one is 150, this one is 150, this one is 150. And all other are 100 mm. Okay, so select all story. Again, we will, what we can do, we'll select all and divide the intersection. And now we have to select again. Okay, no problem. We will select it as soon as possible. Okay. Make sure everything is perfect. So we will assign and the frame load distributed, and we will go to the wall and we will assign load here, that is I think 9.46. So we'll go to here and 9.46 and apply it and okay, right? And all the others has a load of mm. So we will select everything and we will go to here and 100 mm wall load is 6.76. So we will assign okay, from here select, you can get your selection. You can assign frame load distributed and it is 6.76. So it is 6 point, no it's not 6.76, and apply it and okay, right? So here you can see there is no, all the other mods, like you have to make sure you have to apply it everywhere. Shine distributed and okay, right? So and now you can see at the balcony, these are the balcony. So there will be a parapet wall. So the parapet wall is load is 3. So we will now select all the parapet walls here and now we'll assign and share the same with 3. Okay, and apply okay. Okay, and we have assigned all the wall load here. And now what we'll do, we'll go to the terrace and here what you have to do, you have to go to the 1 story. Please make sure there is 1 story and display and load assign and frame and wall load and apply and okay. You can see there won't be any wall load at the terrace. Okay, frame distributed and you can delete everything and apply okay. And at the periphery only you will have load. Okay, at the periphery you will have a load. Okay, so that go to the assign to the frame load distributed and assign 3 and apply and okay. And okay, 3D. Now you can see there is 6.7 load and there is a parapet wall load, and above that there will be a wall load of because above that there will be a lift machine room or the water tank. We can take it higher. Okay? We can take it as a higher. Like if you want to learn in detail also, you can contact me. Otherwise, we are going good. Okay, so let's go to here. Yeah. So we have assigned all the wall loads on the beam, and like it's a wall load of brick. So now we'll modify the earthquake load according to our code. Okay. So let's go to here and we'll go to define, go to the load pattern. We'll go to the EQX and modify this, and we have to untick all these things, and we have to take this X direction percentage in the earthquake. So here you have to take this building is in the Delhi. So this is a residential building in Delhi. So what we have to do? We have to go first here, and what will it's 1893 apply, and we'll open the code, and we will just find what is this. I think it's a zone factor. It's a zone factor. Okay. So simply we will go to this one and write zone factor. Zone factor for Delhi, it is I think 4 and 2.4. 0.24. So we'll go to here and we'll take 0.24. Importance factor should be enable importance. So importance factor. So importance factor. Okay. So this is a building, residential building or commercial building. If occupancy is less than 200%, we'll take 1.2. This is a G+4 building and the occupancy of it's less than 200%, so we'll take it as a 1. We'll take it as a 1 and go to the user define. We have to calculate the time period here. So for the time period, I think this is the formula to calculate the time period. Okay, and like this one. Okay, this one property. I think we'll go to the properties first. Okay, so properties, fill color. Okay, and okay. So we have to calculate by this formula 0.09 h divided by under root d. So we can see what is the h and what is the like, h is the height of the building. Okay, d is the base dimension of the building at the plane level along the considering direction of the earthquake segment. Okay, so we will take d and okay. So we will calculate in the first in x direction plan and O. So we will draw the dimension first, and we'll take the so okay, let's take the draw dimension line, and this from this to this, and this one, and from column to column, and this one. Okay, so it is 18.16, and we will first take what is the height. So height should be at the terrace level. Okay, so it should be from base level to terrace level. Okay, 17.75, and okay, so we'll go to first at okay, this one, and let's take it at 0.09 into h is 17.75, 17.75, and it's divided by 18.167, and it's under root. Okay, so 0.347. So let's take it 0.347. Define load pattern. EQ modify. 0.374. 0.374. So we'll take it 5. And response reduction factor, if response reduction factor, for the response reduction factor, reduction response I think it's as yeah, the response reduction factor should be so the brace frame and it should be 4. Okay. This is a structural wall system and you can see the building with ductile RC structural wall, it should be 4. Okay. So you can see it's a 4. Okay. You can see it's a 4. Okay. So we'll consider it as a 4 and let's take it terrace from base to terrace and click OK. Go to EQI, modify the tensile load and untick all the and take Y direction and take terrace from base and take it as a 4, 0.24. You have to calculate this. It is I think 0.09. Okay, okay, 10.93. 0.09 into 17.75 divided by it's divided by 10.93 under root and okay, it's 0.484. So it should be 0.484. 0.484. Okay. Everything is perfect and okay. And the QZ we will modify it. We will terrace 4 and 0.4. It's 1 user defined 0.4 and we have to untick all these things in the Z and we select acceleration only and okay and okay. Don't assign wind load here because so it won't affect the G+4 building. So basically wind load will affect the G+40 G+30 building and we will get the maximum reinforcement in the earthquake force basically and so we can assign wind loads here and rather check it is affecting or not, but in this video we are not calculating the wind load in this, and if you want to learn more about it you can contact me. Okay. And now we will okay, so we have modified the earthquake load and wind load, so now we will assign the stiffness modification factors and stiffness modifiers we will assign here. So first for walls we will assign, we will go to here, select, go to object or object type, then we will go to the wall, select all the walls, and here you can see we have selected 138 cells, and we will go to assign then we will go to assign shell property stiffness modifier and we will assign 0.7 0.7 0.7 0.1 0.1 0.1. So 0.7 for the out of plane and 0.1 for in plane. Okay, apply and okay, and we have applied for the shear walls. Now for the beam, and we will go to the select object type, we will select the beam and we will select it and we will assign to the frame property modifiers, and for the torsion we will take 0.1 because we are not considering torsion in the beam, and we will take 0.35 and 0.35, and we will apply it and okay. And then we will there is no column in this model, so for the uh, second axis and third axis, 2 axis and 3 axis, we will assign 0.7. Okay. Now we will go to the slab, and basically we will select the slabs here, like floors, and select the floors. Then we will go to the sign, then shell, then stiffness modifier, and here we will assign 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 for the in plane, and okay, and that's it. So now we have assigned the stiffness modifiers. So now we will assign the end release in the frames. Okay. So let's take this one. Please make sure you have selected all story here. Okay, and we will select all the frame here. Okay, uh, this one only, this one also, and this one and this one also, and we will go to here, assign frame and release, and we will select both and apply. Okay, and here we will untick this one and here and here also. Okay. So here we will merge the frames, and here we can merge frame like this. Okay, join. This should be one beam. Okay, and okay, so we will assign here also and apply. Okay, okay, and we will apply here, here and here. Okay, I think everything is perfect now. We have assigned the end release. Now we will merge the frames, divided frames. So we have already merged the frames, that is divided frames. Okay, so we can see every frame is like that is divided, already merged, and okay, here I think we have to merge the frame, join and join. Okay, okay, this one also we have to join. Okay, okay. So now we will assign the diaphragm for to assign the diaphragm. First we will go to the select, then object type, and then we will select every floor. And now we will go to the sign, go to the shell, then diaphragm, and select the D1, and we will assign the D1. And now we have assigned the diaphragm also, and now we will assign the automate for floor and wall. Okay, for that you have to go to select object type, go to the floor and select, and go to the assign shell and floor auto mesh. Here you have to click this auto cookie and click this one 1000 and apply and okay. And now you have to select the walls and select all the walls. Go to the assign shell and go to the wall auto mesh, and we will go to the auto rectangular mesh and apply it and okay and close. Okay. Okay, so we have assigned the automation for wall and floor. Okay, now we'll assign the response factor analysis in our model. So for that we have first to go to the define, then go to the function, then go to response factor analysis. Now here we have to select 1890,16 and now add the function, and now we will write it here 1893 IS 1893 and 2016. and we will go to uh, zone 4, daily in zone 4, and importance vector 1, so I'll type 2 and 4. Okay, I will go to the OK, then we will add a new function again, and we will go to IS 1893 2016, and so should be vertical. Okay, P. Okay, and we will take it 4, and we will take it as 4. Okay, now go to the converted action, we will delete everything. We'll delete everything first, and we will add 0 and 2.5 acceleration. We will take the vertical earthquake, and what we will do, we will use 2.5 and modify it, and OK, and OK. And now we have to go to define load cases. Now we will add a new case here, and we will assign spec x, and go to the response vector analysis, and we will add a new function with the u1 acceleration. We will add here 1890 and everything is okay, perfect, and okay. And then now we will add a copy of the load case, and we will select and we will write it spec y. Okay, and we will take u2 here, and everything's perfect. Okay, and now we will add a new case, and copy of a case, and here we will just type z, and we will select u3 here, and simply we will select vertical earthquake here, because the spec z is a vertical earthquake. We are considering dynamic analysis in the vertical direction, so we have to select the function, the vertical one. Okay, and now everything is okay, perfect, okay, and okay. Now we will assign a peer label to all. So let's go to the link label. These are the load combination we'll consider in the analysis, and for that we have to go to the Etabs model, and we'll go to the define, go to the load combination, and we have to add here new load combination, and okay, let's add default combination like concrete beam and slab, and okay, and okay, and we will save this here, and we will save this model, and we will cross this model. Okay, now we will go to here. Okay, and we will go to the notepad file, and just we will find it load combination. There is no load combination. There is no load combination. I don't know why there is no load combination. Okay, forget about that. So for that we will open again our G+4 daily model. We will open one reference model also. Like if we go to the NS1EN, and then we will start this Sona, and here the Etabs model, and this one, and here we will find the load combination, and you can see there are load combinations, and we will just simply copy this one, and we will go to Etabs section, and we will again go to load combination and try to add a new load combination by ourselves. Like just take it Naveen, name is Naveen, and okay, and okay, and now we'll save this, and just cross this one. Okay, and again you have to try to open this G+4 notebook, and we will just copy this. We'll just find load combination. There is no load combination. Why there is no load combination? Okay. We are actually, okay, it's G+4 and N04. Okay, yeah, we will try to open this one and we will find load combination. And you can see there is a load combination. My name is Naveen, and you can just simply paste all the load combination here. And this is the this is the this is the file. It's a coding file, and if you want to change something in the coding file, it will change automatically in the model analysis model. If you want to learn about like how to you write the code in the and how to manipulate the results in the code, and if you want to learn everything, you can just contact me. Okay, and just file and go to save and cross, and again I think go to the Etab, and we will open the Etab. For that, we'll go to the file first and import etab dot e2k file text file. Okay, and we'll simply open this file, and it's a G+4 daily date modifier. That's one, and open. So just go to 3D and define load combination. You can see like all of the load combination are already assigned. So what we will do, we will try to remove the temperature load cases. Okay, temperature combination. Okay, and delete this. Okay, I think that's already okay. And okay, and yeah, we have assigned the load combination. Close this one, and yeah, so um, we have assigned all the load combinations here, and now we will assign the joint at the support at the base. So just plan and go to the base here, and just try to select every joint here and assign. Go to the joint, go to the restraint, and click here and apply and okay, and 3D view. And now you can see we have assigned all the fixed joint at the base. Okay, now we will run the analysis. Okay, let's run the analysis. So before the analysis, you have to make sure that there is no warning in the model. Okay, so make sure that there is no warning and error in the model, and we will select this from here, like analyze check model, and okay. So the model has been checked and no warning message was found, and so we are good to go, and we are going great. And so here we will run the analysis first, and we will run the analysis. Okay, so let's make this name different, like 5 and save. So in the model there are two warnings. Okay, so let's take a look at the warning. And okay, mm, so uh, so just show the undeformed shape, and from the extruded view toggle we can see we have assigned all the properties correct or not, and here you can see we have assigned all the properties correct. So okay, let's see the results first. Mm, Strength level, okay. Uh, okay, so we have run the analysis, like we have to match the ratio. So for that, we will go to the display, we will go to the show table, and we will go to the structure output, then base reactions, and okay. And let's go to base reactions, and so mm, these three EQX, and press Control and select these three. Okay, and copy this, and we will go to now here. Okay, 1 minute. Mm, So for the base here, we will go to the onion, and now we will copy here and just drag here, and we'll copy this and paste here. Okay, now we can see. mm, so we will just go to we will go here, mm, define load cases, and load this, and we will modify it. Okay, and we will select the scale factor like this one, copy this one and try to paste here. Okay, and we'll go to it, modify it, and copy this one, and we will place here. Okay, and okay, and here modify it, and copy this one, and we will paste here. Okay, and okay, and okay, and okay, then we will run it again, and there are 3 warnings. We'll go to 3D, and now we will do the concrete frame design. For that, make sure in the design view preference it's the IS456 2000. Okay, and okay, and now we will do the design, concrete frame design. Make sure there is all stories are selected. We'll select all stories selected, and then we will assign the peer label here. So for that, we will go to the assign shell peer label, and here are total of the 22 number of balls. So we'll just go to modify and add each name: 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. And just select this one and this one, apply. So for the simplification, what we can do, we can select the object type, and just go to the wall, select it, select the wall, and show selected object only. And here, I think you have to unlock the model. You can unlock the model also. Okay? Mm, hmm, delete it. Yeah. So shell, like, apply it, and for here apply the P11. For this you can apply the 12, and now P13. For this I think P14. For this I think P15, P16, P17, P18, P19. Okay, and P2, P20, P21, P22, P3, P4. Okay, now it's P5, P6, P7, P8, and P9. Okay, so we have assigned the peer label to all the walls. Show all. So now we will do the shear wall design, and for that, just run the model. You can you don't need to unlock the model for peer labels, assigning the peer labels. Okay, I have unlocked this model just because the software was lagging that time. Okay, and just okay, ignore the errors and just do shear wall design. Okay, and for that you can show display, and you can see the what is other reinforcement are coming the shear wall design, and go to here and shear wall and required reinforcement show design. You can see it's around about 5.51 percentage of reinforcement we are getting. Okay, so it's quite high. Okay, it should be less than 3%. It's as per the code it should be less than 4%, but we will try to make it below 4%. Okay, it should not be greater than 4%. Okay, if we are there are some rule in the 139 13920 13920. Okay, there are some rule in the ductile detailing. So I will tell you these things in later. Okay, and uh, let's show table, and here we will see what is the mass participation we are getting. You can see like the mass participation we are getting, that is uh, the first is a translation, second is also translation, and so third is a pure torsion. Okay, so there is no warning in the model. Okay, so these are the stability check we will perform. So the maximum deflection in the slabs should not be greater than 3 point. Okay, it should not be greater than span divided by 50 or 20 mm. So we'll check it first. Okay, and just undeform the shape, and we'll go to the we'll go to here like show deform shape, and we will check the deflection in dead load plus live load, the combination, and we'll check the deflection in dead load plus live load, and draw the contour for displacement apply. Okay, so here you can see we are getting only 3 mm of deflection like maximum deflection. I think it is very less, and we can go further check. Like we can go to the further check. What are the maximum here we have to see the maximum displacement of building due to the wind load should not be more than h divided by 500. So we have not considered any wind load here. So okay, let's uh, let's go to the next check. So the maximum displacement of the building due to the earthquake load should not be more than h by 250. So we will go to the show deform shape, and now for that we will go to display uh, a Storey response plot. Okay, and here we will select the combo type, that is EQX. So here you can see we are getting 171. Okay, the maximum reinforced earthquake. Okay, 171. So here in the model, uh, so we will open the calculator here. So the 17.75 is the Storey height divided by 250 into 1000. So it should be 71. So we are getting 171 maximum. So I think there is some problem in this. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do some changes in this model. So EY is 63. So in the Y direction it's good, but in the X direction it's failing in the earthquake. Okay, so let's check in Z. Uh, so in the Z direction we won't check this. Okay, just X and Y direction we'll check this. Okay, this is a lateral deflection. Okay, so we will check just only in EX and EQX and EQY. Okay, let's go to, okay, just cross this, and what we will do, we'll go to the undeformed shape. You have to untick this one, and what we will do, we will just try to increase the stiffness in X direction. Okay, Mm, we will try to increase the stiffness in X direction. So for that, what we will do, we will just increase the dimension of. So you have to make sure that you have selected all the story area. Select these joints. Okay, not this. Okay, these joints. Move it like 0. minus 0.2. Okay, and from here you can also select these joints and move it like 0.2. Okay, so those ones, so we have increased the size of the wall from 800 mm to 100 mm. Okay, 1000 mm, 800 mm to 1000 mm. Okay, so let's add uh, so let's add walls in the in horizontal direction. Okay, so how we will do it, we can add the walls. So what we will do is just copy this wall, paste this wall from, and we will replicate this wall from here to here and apply. Okay, what we'll do, we'll just try to remove the side. So what we'll do, we'll set display option, we will untick the invisible and apply it, and okay, and we will replicate this joint. So I think we can go to 0.3. Okay, and apply it. Okay, and we'll go to here, reshape, and we'll copy this one, select the wall, and drag it from here to here. Okay, Control Z. In 3D, I think it's showing. Okay. Plan, go to the plinth. Okay, and okay. So what we'll do is just select this, and we will replicate this one from here to here. Okay, apply it, and we'll simply select these two walls here and here. And what we'll do is just replicate this, mirror it, and try to pick the 2 points that are this one and this one, and apply it. Okay, we will get walls here also, and I think we can add walls here also. I just pick this one and here to here and apply it. Okay, Control that one. So we will just select the wall, pick this two and apply it. I don't know what is happening. Just select the wall, okay, and pick the joint from here to here, okay, and apply. Okay, it's mirror, so it should be linear. Okay, and pick these 2 points and apply. Okay, and we got the wall here and select it, and we will replicate this from 6 points from here to here, and again. Okay, right. So now everything is okay, and we'll go to 3D and we will run this. If still if still it is failing in x direction, so we will increase the stiffness in x directions more. Okay, let's check this. This is Storey response and model, not model, it should be ex. Okay, so you can see it is reduced. So now what we will do, we will add more, like we will increase the length of the walls here. Okay, so just untick this one and go to the plan and go to the plinth first floor, and what we will do, we will just increase this and 1 minute. So we will increase it like how we will increase it. Okay, so first go to the draw dimension, we will select these dimensions, and I think this dimension is 0.099. I think it's 0.1 only. So let's move it. Just make sure that all Storey, you have selected all stories. Okay, and this one, this one, this one. We'll move it by 0. No, 1 minute. We'll move this only by 1 minute. So we'll select this. Go to the reshape object, press Control and then OK. Then again select wall. You can able to move it. Okay. Here also, and select one, and then you will able to move it. Okay. And here I think they select this one in these joints, 14 joints. We will move it. I think we should move it 0.4 and apply. And control that. 0.4, I think we will move it by 0.2, 0.3 only. Okay, and control that 0.2 करके देखते हैं. Let's do 0.2, and here also these two. Let's take 0.2 and apply it. Okay, right. Again, what we'll do, we'll just increase the control and it should be 0.2. Apply, and it should be 0.2 and apply. Okay, right. And go to the 3D and we'll run the analysis. I think these type of the mistakes we have done in the during the modeling and all. So you don't need to do this mistakes in the modeling. You have to check everything in the model, and you have to perform every check in the model and done. And we will go to the display and go to the Storey response, and we'll select not here. We'll select the model, then we'll select the ES. So here you can see we have reduced more. Okay, like 81.4. We are getting 81.4. Okay, and like let's check the model shape. Like what is the model shape? Okay, model, and okay, model. Check the model one. So it's pretty good. Okay, so like time period also decreased, and we are getting translation. And yeah, so we can do like unlock the model, and we will increase more. Okay, just make sure that you selected all Storey here. So here what we can do, we can increase from here. Oh, will increase from here. Move 0.2, apply. Move this one, minus, apply. Okay. Okay, fine, right. I think we can also increase this one. Move we'll move it at the 0.2. Apply. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. So let's run analysis. F2S. So two warning and two information, and let's display story plot, and here we will check in the EQX. So it is around 75. So yeah. So what we will do will, if you want to like decrease it, you can increase the stiffness in the actions, and that's all you want. Okay. So okay, we are now we will proceed to the another check, and what is the okay. So we will make sure that story drift due to earthquake load should not be more than 0.004. Okay, and we'll go to here, display story response plot, and we'll check uh, maximum story drift, and then we will check here EQX. It's 0.005. Okay, and here is 0.004. So I think like suppose like the maximum story drift you are getting in x direction is almost like it's around 4 to 5. Okay, so you can just simply increase the steps in that x direction if you want. If I will do like 50 and 100 iteration here, so I think the video will be like 10 hours. Video will be of 10 hours. Now story drift is okay, the displacement is okay. Like we are getting first and second mode 65% with all other translation. You can show your display, show results, and like the model, go to the model participation. Like you are getting almost 60% and 70%. These all are translation. Okay, I will see you how you can see this. Okay, and add new one here. I think let's see the participation. Okay, so to see the model participation, first go to the plan and go to the terrace one here, apply, and let's go to the show deform shape. Go to the mode, first mode, apply, okay, and here also go to the this one mode, first mode, apply, okay, and you can just start animation, and here also you can start animation. So you can see this is the first mode, and so we will go to the mode and second mode, apply, okay. First we have to click on the show and deform shape, and then we will go to the show mode of second, and model participation, and y direction applied, okay, and you have to select this one, apply it, and select second, and okay, and okay, and start animation here, start animation here. Now here you can see that the pure torsion, the pure translation in y direction, okay, and you have to go to the show and deform shape, and you go to the show and deform shape, and 1 minute. For here you go to undeform shape, and for the torsion you will see the third mode, apply, and okay, and you have to go to the here, apply, and go to the third mode here, and apply, and okay, and you have to start animation, and here also you You have to click at the start animation. So here you can see the pure torque in third mode, and just click on the show and deform shape, and we will cross this one. Okay, we will remove this close this window here, and simply you can now we will go to here and show video panel. Now you're seeing me also. Okay, uh, let's go to the stability check. So yeah, so 65% and 65% we are getting almost, and so okay. So the third mode of vibration installed, it's okay, and the first three mode vibration should be at least 65%. So what he's saying that go to the display, show table, and okay, mm, and go to the mass participation here. The sum of the first three modes should be 60, at least 65%. So it is 83% and 74%. I think it's correct. It's definitely correct. The number of modes to be considered in such a way that at least 90% of the total mass should be achieved. So I think we have considered bara modes, and here you can see at least 90%. So if we it is almost 90%. If you want to like increase this like mode, if you will consider like 50 modes or something, you will get almost 99% of some of the model participation. Like here I have only considered 12 modes, so it's getting 93 and 87. Okay. The rebar percentage in column should not be more than 4%. So we have not any even single column in our model, so we won't check this one and this also. So to check rebar percentage in beam should not be more than 4%. So we will go to the model, we'll go to the concrete frame design, then we'll go to the display design info, and then we will select here the total rebar percentage and apply it, and then we'll go to the second floor, and here you can check the beam reinforcement at every single beam. Then you can check it like this, and uh, I think everything is okay here. Okay, and now we will go to above here. So yeah, now it's okay. So we have checked that rebar percentage mean should not be more than 4%. Now we will go to the minimum reinforcement in shear wall should be 0.25%. So to check the shear wall reinforcement, we will go to the display, then show uh, table display. Then we will go to the concrete frame design. For that we have to first design the shear wall. And close it, and we will now we will go to the display, then show table, and then we will click on the shear wall design and okay, and for the required reinforcement percentage we will right click, then we will go to the short descending, and you can see here we are getting like 4%, around 4.05. It is close to the 4%, and we are getting a reinforcement in shear wall is less than 4%, and the minimum reinforcement is 0.25%. So and it's correct, and all the checks are under the permissible limit. And now we will go to the safe analysis. To do the safe analysis, first we will go to, we have to match the base shear before before exporting the all the loads and load case and load combination. So first we'll go to the file, then we will go to the export, uh, then Storey as safe, and then we will go to the, then we will select base, and then we will select export floor loads and loads from above. Then we will select all the load cases and the load combination, and then we will click OK, and we will save as G+4 daily and 05 reactions from Etabs for save modeling. Okay, and we will save it. Okay, and so we have imported we have exported loads in the safe, and the load case and the load combination, and then we will define the material in the safe, and then we will define the slab and assign the slab properties. Then we will draw the wall and column in the safe, and then we will assign subgrid modulus, and we will update the design codes, and we will draw the strips in the safe model, and then we will assign degree of freedom, and we will delete the beams, that is extra beams, and then we'll check the design reinforcement strips layer A and layer B, and then we will do the detailing. And so in the detailing, the preparation of the drawing for the construction support and for the clients and for the client review, and we will prepare the framing plan, we will prepare the column and wall detailing, we will prepare the beam elevation and section, we will prepare the slab details, we will prepare the foundation plan and section, we will prepare the RCC retaining wall details, we will prepare the water tank details. Every reinforcement detail we have to submit to the client and for the approval. Okay, and so if you want to learn safe in detail, and this is only 5 to 10% of whole structural engineering. If you want to learn everything in detail, you can contact me on this number 9694274947, and you can also drop a mail on this mail ID. And if you want to buy my courses, anasconian.com. Okay, here you can see my website, and okay, if you go to the project here, you can see there are a lot of projects I have done during my experience, and you can see like I have experience in tall building. We have designed like these type of the model also, like I have a design, like I have experience in modeling, designing, analysis, and detailing. Everything I can teach you. And you can see the high-rise buildings are here like up to G+40, and you can see like there are many commercial, residential, hospitals we have built in the like the Indian for the government projects and for the private projects also. And like these are the safe models. You can see like I have modeled almost 30 plus safe models, and you can see all the model here. Okay, in the detail. And if you go to the courses here, you can buy my courses also. uh, so it's a training, internship, and design course for the structural engineer, and so we offer the courses. And if you want to elevate your career in the structural engineering, you can join NSCONIAN courses. So you can see the discounted prices, 10,000 rupees for the complete structural engineering courses. Okay, and here are the different like ETAP course, SAFE course, AutoCAD and Excel, and several different like the individual courses are available also. And if you go to below, you can you will get to know about my company, about us, and what is the advantage of enrolling in our training program. What are we are offering? What are the program highlights, and what are the technology solutions we are providing to you in these courses? Okay, so yeah, contact me and you can join the course, and you will learn everything about the preparation of the drawings for the client, the preparation of the drawing for the construction support, how to coordinate with the architect, how to you know uh, how to coordinate with the contractor, like the when the time of right for information. Okay, so everything will be covered in this course, like how you can create the excels to automate your work and excel your work. Okay, and from AutoCAD to ETAB, then SAFE, then Excel, then SAP 2000, you will learn everything in this course. And stay tuned, stay positive, and all set.